In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create or generate a payment link in your Razorpay account. First is to head inside the dashboard of your Razorpay and then head into the payment links tab. Once you are inside the screen, you just need to focus on the right side of the screen and find this button which is labeled as the create payment link. After clicking it, you will be redirected into this page where you have to select the standard payment link since we want to collect payment from our customers in all payment methods available. So click the create now and this pop-up should show. Enter the amount to be paid by the customer and a description should be filled in. Also finish filling in all the details regarding the customer details and the reference ID of this payment link. Make sure that you have enabled the partial payment and that's it. Just create the payment link by clicking this button and this green pop-up should show that is labeled as payment link created successfully. That's how you can generate or set up a payment link in Razorpay, and thank you for listening.